Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing frustrations associated with Thai retirement visa processing from abroad. To be clear, we're not talking about retirement visa processing here in Thailand. We're talking about OA retirement visas from abroad. So there are two different things associated, or that's two different issues there. We're talking about OA retirement visas from abroad. And I thought, I saw a comment on one of our videos. I thought I'd go ahead and make this video. To quote from the comment, video idea, I just applied for my OA visa. I watched 100 videos on the process and none of it was of value because they switched to the e-visa where everything must be sent in electronically. One frustration I had was knowing which forms to put where. Example, declaration, I had no idea what that was. Some research was done, and I think it's the T8 form. Also, it requires 3 downloads of insurance documents, but the titles they ask for don't actually match the titles of the docs from my Thai insurance company. Lastly, after you click submit, the system issues you a case number, but doesn't take you automatically to a payment page. So, a lot going on with respect to that, and yeah, we understand how frustrating it is because, quite frankly, we've been dealing with this since March of 2020. And for point of reference, we assist folks in dealing with Thailand pass processing. We've assisted a number of folks and will continue to do so. We also assist in dealing with e-visa processing and with the process of dealing with embassies and consulates. Where necessary, we actually liaise directly with Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Usually that's not particularly necessary. I mean, 2 of the main folks here in our office who deal with Thai immigration, they've been dealing with it, especially the current iteration of Thai immigration, they've been dealing with it since, certificates of entry came online. In fact, to the best of our knowledge and what we were told by Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we were issued like the 3rd certificate of entry. If you go back and when certificates of entry were created, we had one up. We had an exemplar certificate of entry up on our YouTube channel pretty shortly thereafter because we were just trying to get the word out about how this was all working. So again, we do provide that as a service for folks that just don't want to go through the hassle of dealing with it. Again, it's going to be circumstantially dependent. It's going to be dependent on what type of visa you're looking for. But yeah, we have heard this from a number of retirees that dealing with the OA process and the Thailand pass process from abroad can be kind of cumbersome. There may be other options depending on your circumstances with respect to obtaining retirement visa, and for this reason, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.